It makes black paint with the door. Ew. Ew, ew, ew.
Well, what is it? What is
It's yucky chalk.
What's in the blue? What do you call that in the blue bucket?
Chalk.
No, what is the stuff that you mixed up here?
Nature soup with the chalk.
Nature soup with chalk.
Yeah, it's so disgusting. Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Let me see. Show me your face. Yeah, you're making a mess. How much fun. When I was a little girl, what did I used to call that? Remember I told you we used to make
Mud pie.
That's right. We used to make mud pies. That's pretty much what you have here.
Yeah. May can play with me when she gets home and she's gonna have to wash her hands.
Are you going to have to wash your hands?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because it's really messy.
Oh my.